Hey everyone, it's Rumbod. Today we'll build the Look at Logic in Blueprint. We'll make an actor always face the player in the third person template, and you can reuse the same setup for enemies, turrets, or cameras. Quick and practical. Let's jump in. Open the content drawer, right-click on empty space, choose Blueprint, and pick Actor Class. I'll name this BP Enemy Actor. That's just a sample name. You can change it based on your actor. Open up the blueprint. On the left panel, under Components, click Add and choose Cube. This gives us a visible mesh so we can clearly see the actor turning to face the target. Now let's go to the event graph. Near event tick, right-click and search for Find Look at Rotation. Add this node to graph. This node takes two inputs, start and target. Both are world space locations, vectors with X, Y, and Z. For the start input, we need our own actor's location. Right-click, search Get Actor Location, and connect its return value to start. This tells the node, begin the look direction from this actor's position. For the target input, we'll use the player. Right-click, search Get Player Pawn. From its return value, drag out and search Get Actor Location. Connect that location to target. Now the node knows exactly where to look, from actor to the player. The node returns a rotator that points from start to target. To apply it, right-click and search Set Actor Rotation. Plug the return value of Find Look at Rotation into New Rotation. Finally, connect the execution pin from Event Tick into Set Actor Rotation. Event tick runs every frame so the rotation updates continuously and the actor always faces the target. That's all we have to do. Go back to the viewport, open the content drawer, and drag BP Enemy Actor into the level. Click on Play button in viewport to run the game and move your character. You'll notice the cube constantly rotates to look at the player. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something useful for your project. I try to keep these videos simple and modular so you can watch quickly and apply immediately. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and tell me what you want to see next. For the bigger series, AI, RTS camera, and the full RTS series, I'll continue them right after my vacation. For now, I'll focus on shorter content during the vacation. See you in the next video.